ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hello, good morning students. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Dear students, you see here our school's aquarium. Wow, shape of this aquarium is cuboid. See here, many fishes, many beautiful fishes are there. Let me count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nearly 7 to 8 fishes are there. Students, you can see that shape of that fish. The body of that fish shape is like oval, and you can see its eyes shape is circle in shape, and see that wings are triangle in shape. Now children, we will see length. Okay, length of the smallest fish. I will take the smallest fish. So length of the smallest fish, it may be 5 centimeter. And let me see that biggest fish. Where is that? Okay, biggest fish here. Length of this biggest fish, it may be 8 to 9 centimeter. Now students, you must be wondering, Usha ma'am said that she is taking mathematics. Then why she is explaining about fish? Yes students, this is the speciality of NCERT textbook. Most of the chapters have been in the form of story. Why? To make maths interesting. But as we progress further, you will see the concepts are beautifully incorporated in stories, so that you can relate the maths concept to the day-to-day life. So I feel as we progress further, you will really enjoy maths, and we will love maths even more.
Thank you students. Thank you for watching this video.